What is your reaction to the prosecution's move to withdraw Attorney Zuleika Lopez and Captain Denise Debray?
That's okay with us. We did, honestly, I was being asked kanina if we expected it. We honestly did not expect it. You know naman, I'm very candid with these things. But that was the prerogative of the prosecution and we have no objections on the same.
Does this mean that the Vice President will no longer appear in the Senate in the coming days because Zuleika Lopez will no longer take the stand?
I cannot honestly directly answer that question because I really don't know. I don't know if she might still attend, no? Despite the fact that na hindi na witness si Attorney Laika. So we'll just have to wait and see. But rest assured that if I do get confirmation, I will let you know. Pagpasensyahan na rin po ako pag hindi ako sumasagot. Hindi ko pa kasi talaga alam yung sagot. So, ayaw kong magsabi ng hindi, tapos bigla siyang darating dito because I might lose credibility with all of you. So, yun lang po talaga yung reason. Hindi ako sumasagot kasi hindi ko pa talaga alam. But as nakita nyo naman, kahit last week and this week, once may inclination na ako or meron na akong categorical sa kanya kung darating siya, I tell you kaagad. No? Or katulad kanina na she really told me she was unsure, titignan na niya kung makakahabol siya, I told you straight kung ano yung na-communicate sa akin.
Attorney sa trial na to, the burden of proof lies with the prosecution. Itong usada nila na pag-withdraw ng witnesses, do you think it would be advantageous for the part of the defense given the limited days of presentation of the prosecution?
Hindi naman. I think it was because, and I think Attorney Kapunan actually articulated it well. No? She said that sa tingin niya, hindi na kailangan kasi parang magiging repetition lang or repetitive lang. And then, of course, they have their position that certain things were admitted. Of course, we have a differing opinion on those matters. But nonetheless, again, these are all kasi up to the appreciation of the impeachment court. But I think also na hindi din naman malayong mangyari kasi on the part of the defense na pag-turn naman namin if we think na corroborative at hindi naman namin alam, kaya sa tingin namin hindi na kailangan mag-corroborate pa further is maaaring magbawas din kami. Ito yung sinasabi namin sa inyo before na although ang daming witnesses na listed, normal kasi na pag sa pre-trial brief, ilalagay mo na lahat ng pwede mong maisip kasi kung hindi, you will waive the opportunity, no? You will be barred from presenting that witness. Ma-objectan ka ng kabila kasi hindi mo nalagay sa pre-trial brief mo. But it doesn't mean na sa dami ng witnesses na nilagay namin, lahat i-representa namin. So I guess ito yung isang patunay na pwede talagang mangyari na although nalagay na list mo as witness, and in fact nagpa-issue na tayo ng subpoena, you can still manifest, no, that you will no longer be presenting that witness.
Pero magiging option po ba si Yusek Lopez kung sakasakali?
Sa kanino po? Sa prosecution?
Sa defense po.
Sa defense, hindi namin siya nailista. Hindi namin, titingnan muna natin kung kinakailangan pa talaga. But at this point, dun sa pre-trial brief namin, if I remember correctly, no, I hope I'm not mistaken, kasi medyo mahaba rin yung list of witnesses namin. I don't think nilista namin siya, although there are reserved witnesses from DepEd and of course OVP. So we will just determine kung kinakailangan ba.
Pero Jimmy, may